Thank you for coming on to this video. I actually want to cover this really cool tool in town. It's called Browse.ai, right? So there are lots and lots of tools out there, but what I really like about this tool is you can extract data from any website with like clicks. Literally, like you just use a few button clicks and you can start extracting data at scale, right? The the coding way to do it is you write scripts. The non-coder marketing way is to actually use a tool like this. So we'll actually use a tool on our own website called Everything AI. So what we're going to do is try to extract all the tools from a specific category or all the tools on a specific page on Everything AI, right? So I come here, it says it's a prettier way to search for AI tools. You can look at lots of tools which are trending for the week, trending for the month. Obviously, if you want to sponsor our marketplace, feel free to. That's my shameless plugin. So let's get to the tools page, right? So once I get to the tools page, I get to see all of this, and I have a Chrome extension. Unfortunately, I'm sharing my tab, but you won't be able to see what I click on. But as soon as you download Browse.ai, it's a Chrome extension that sits on the top. Okay, so when I click on the Chrome extension, it says build a new robot, which is something that opens up. I click on it and then I click on extract data from this new page. So once I do that, it takes me to this dashboard, which is once I'm logged in, comes here. There are a few tutorials that I can watch. It says, what's the origin URL? Origin URL is basically the place from where you want to extract this data, right? So it says everythingai.club/tools, which was the URL of this page. Okay. So once I come here, come back here, I click on start recording tasks. It opens up a new window. Okay. So it opens up a new window. It says here, okay, understood. To extract structured data from this page, click on this robot. I said, okay, cool, I get it, right? And then I have this little thing on the right hand side. I don't know if you can see it, but I can click on open record and it says capture list or capture text. The difference is capture list is if you want to capture the entire thing which is in that tile. Capture text is if you want to capture specific information pieces or specific text pieces, right? So for our example, we need to click on capture list because that way it'll replicate everything or it'll capture all the information which is across all tiles, right? So what do I do? The first thing is I click on the entire list item because that's what I wanted to capture, right? So I click on that and then the rest of the things. So I wanted to capture this, which is what image URL. It'll ask you, as soon as you click on something, it'll ask you, do you want to capture the image URL, the image source, or the alternative text, right? So for us, I guess image URL works. I want to capture, no. I want to capture this. I want to capture this. I want to capture this. And I want to capture the one-liner. Then also the HTML. Yeah, what's the link that's going to? And then finally, this piece. Once I do that, you can see everything has been captured, right? So I just need to click on enter. Once I click on enter, I just need to add attribution to all of it. What's the name of the column, right? So it says image name. This is tool name, right? This is category. This is payment method, I'm going to call it. Okay, for this scenario, we can always change it. This is the one-liner, right? This is the tool website, and this is like or dislike. Spelling right. Boom. So there we go. So it shows me these are all the things that have been extracted, right? I can name the listing tools list from everything AI, right? So what is the maximum number of rows you want to extract? You can change this number, custom number. I'm just going to say 100, right? So once it does that, please select the pagination type. There are no more items to load. Scroll down to load more items, right? And then click on capture list. Once I do that, the next piece is actually I click on finish recording. Once you click on finish recording, you come to this page. It says robot name. So basically put a label on what you want to save. I click on save, right? All this information is showed up at the bottom, right? And then now you can download it as a CSV and then see the entire piece, right? So you have the URL, you have the tool name, you have the category, payment method, one-liner, tool website, like or dislike, right? So there we go. Imagine you can do this for any website, extract information, and do your thing.